Now in this case, it's the belt, because we had, they changed out the water pump on it. Alright, they also had to change out the cluster that I just showed you. But watch, when you put a little water on the belt, it quiets it right up. Now what happened here is, if you look at the belt if you look at the belt when it's not running, what happened here is they took the belt off. The belt's got like 50,000 miles on it, and they put the belt back on backwards. Okay, so the belt's it has a wear pattern going the other way, but they've got it on backwards, so it's going to make that noise until it wears in. But in the meantime, it's going to chew the side of the belt. Like, you see the side of the belt right there? See how it's going by? That's chewed away. Okay? You see how it's quiet as long as there's water on the belt? That's the belt. Okay, I turned the belt around. As you can hear, it got rid of the horrible squeal that was happening. So that does back up my theory about wear pattern on belts. That these serpentine belts have to go back on the same way they came off. And if you don't put them back on the same way, then you have horrible squeaking and squealing that makes it sound like the part you put on is bad. I'd like to believe that that's a good water pump, and that I'm not going to have any more problems with it. And we had no way of knowing that with the way it was squeaking. Now it's all good. Listen to it, it's purring. You hardly hear the belt. That's how it's supposed to be.